When you're with your daddy, you must think always that everything must be okay.
Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ndafa and I am the content creator behind That Girl from Wanathinge. So in today's video, I will be doing a short vlog, basically a weekend vlog to the farm. I am accompanied by my dad, siblings, and yeah. So we arrived at the farm on Friday right before sunset, and on the agenda we will be harvesting beans bright and early on Saturday morning. Thereafter we will be attending the Shondili auction plan, which is an auction that focuses on the sales of cattle. Right after that we will return home to prepare for dinner and head back to Ndangwa on Sunday morning. I really hope you guys do enjoy this video, so please do sit back, relax, and don't forget to give me a massive thumbs up if you did like this video. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do hit the subscribe button. And yeah, also leave me a comment and let me know what you thought of the video. I love you so much for being here. I really hope you do stay and join the family.
That's cool on the beat.
So the journey to the farm started on Friday around about 1 p.m. I think, and we got to Omangeti around about 4-5 p.m. Right in time for sunset. My favorite. It's bright and early Saturday morning. The hens are clacking, the birds are chirping, the morning breeze is quite cold, but we are so grateful that we get to experience yet another day. So on today's agenda, the first task was to head out to the field where we'll be harvesting dry beans. Now the harvesting season is one that comes with so much joy, as the owner of the land is glad to see the harvest, while the laborers delight in seeing the fruit of their hard work. Harvesting definitely requires a lot of work, but I think the laughter that is shared here, the connections and the beautiful bond that is created overrides all the backache that we are yet to experience from this. Dry beans are part of the legumes family. Now the beautiful thing when you grow any type of legume is that they take nitrogen from the atmosphere and through their roots they feed it back into the soil. So they help to repair your soil while providing you with food security. Dry beans are very easy to grow. They mature very fast, usually within a 90 to 100 day period, maybe a little bit longer, but it all depends on variety. Also, beans are a high return on investment because let's say when you plant one bean, you get a pot of 4 to 10 beans depending on the size. In this case, some of the beans being harvested will be used as seeds for the next planting season, while the remaining will be used for consumption. So on to agenda point number 2 for the day, which was to attend the Shondili auction pen. Let me just brief you guys on what the auction is about and what exactly happens here. So the Chantilly auction pen is a sale bun that paves opportunity for farmers to sell their cattle to prospective buyers who are also known as bidders. The process starts by inviting multiple buyers and those interested in selling their cattle to the farm. This is often done weeks in advance. Seeing that everyone is seated and settled, the auctioneer begins by announcing what is being sold and the regulations that are to be followed by all attendees. Hereafter, the cattle are brought in by the seller either by pound or lot and placed in the sale ring, which often has a scale to weigh them in front of the bidders. Their weight and lot is displayed on a display screen and the auctioneer calls a starting price. The bidder is then requested to wave their hand as a sign of interest. Several other people may bid for the same cow, therefore the price will keep increasing as more bidders wave their hands. This setup allows for the sellers to get a fair price and for the buyers to see a larger selection of cattle. The Chantilly auction pen takes place in northern Namibia at Omangeti on the Sheshete in Oshikoto region. It often takes place every month, however due to COVID-19, the auction has been temporarily suspended and will only be reinstated once the regulations are amended. Not only does the Chantilly auction pen provide healthy cattle to buy, it is also a good place to network and unwind. I hope and I'm excited to see you at the next one. So I thought I'd just pop in to update you on what will be happening now. So we just returned from the auction, and okay, the auction has not ended, but like we had to come home. I had to come home with like my two sisters and all my other sisters and my cousins. So we start preparing lunch before everybody else gets here. Yo, the sun. That's why I keep closing my eyes. So yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along to that so you guys see what we get up to or how lunch is being prepared. And yeah, see you guys on the flip side.
The spice.
The spice? The spice is not here.
Some of us.
And this one?
This one now. We're going to make it to eat it now.
Okay, now
Telling him we must just put in the onions like that, not cut. Then you think it's potato. Green pepper whole. feature on Daba's
No,
channel.
I like cooking for it.
And the people will see, hey, that one, marriage material.
She's even dressed marriage material.
My dear, like a... Eyes,
Ah, no.
Family is not an important thing. It is everything.
Family to me means always knowing that you have people there for you and no matter what.
Family to me is a bond that cannot be broken.
Feel like you're appreciated. Family means a lot to me because I love you.
Family is somewhat chaotic with 11 brothers and sisters.
Peace, togetherness, happiness, joy, relationships.
Family is an unpredictable journey shared with those you love. They share in our memories, good and bad, and in our plans for the future.
My community is my family, and family is everybody.
Family means love. It means unconditional love. It means support.
Family are those with which you have an irrevocable bond. They're people that you stand by regardless.
The people that you spend a lot of time with, those that you would sacrifice for, that you think of above and beyond.
Family is widespread.
Family is amazing.
Togetherness.
My family is us.
Family is love.
Caring.
Family.
Let us go.
Where?
Home, Kanafingi. We are ready. Very comfy. Tangwa, go get me a piece of meat now. There's a lot of topics there. Oh, says from the FIFA.
Okay.
Daddy. Daddy.
Tell us where we are going now.
No, when you are with your daddy, you must think always that everything must be okay.
I know.
Why you are afraid?
But I want us to know where we are going.
From here now, we are going to plant the tree around the farm.
Okay.
And take a little bit
of a tour?
Yes.
Okay.
Welcome. From there we are drive. Congo to Enana. Enana go to be swim a little bit in the swimming pool.
Okay.
It is my best friend again. Guest house there, Nana, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Was already there.
Yeah.
Even Mianagi knows.
Oh.
Mianagi the same.
We are going to this one. Okay.
Do you have your swimming what?
No.
Oh.
So yeah, that's what is going to happen.
From here on.
From here we are going to plant the trees, as my uncle said, and then we'll go to Enana, to a guest house, and just have
fun.
Actually, just fun, relax, and swim.
Okay.
Why are you short?